Hello, I'm going to explain the work that I have done. First of all, you have to enter, uh, create a folder and place the file inside the folder. The file name is part project inventory 12.5.21, and then open the file. You will see that there are several sheets. Add inventory, add list. First of all, the main interference. Add inventory and inventory list report and show to scan item and the requirement that you have sent me to, and the status of the requirement at the moment is there. So this is the first one. You can navigate the sheet between by pressing these all buttons, and go to the segments where you want. Back button is go to main interface. So first of all, I'm going to add the new uh, part of it. Once you have select here, press this button here and scan the item. All the serial number will be appears there, and also uh, indication that the the barcode is scanned. So new barcode scan, enter the information here. When you found a little darker, it means there is a drop down list. You can select the list from a category and the owner that are in this, and the product remarks, anything you can write, and the quantity is here. So once you have done, you can select the date here as well. And once you have done this one, then press the save button. The data will be saved inside inventory list right under there. Okay. And at the moment 902, there is no entry 902 having, so it will be save as into the list. So when you want to select the date, for you have to also enter the current month. That drop down list having in the date column will shows you the month when you have entered the month here. For example, it's the fifth month, and you will see that all the fifth month entries will be appears in here. When you press the sixth, and you will see that all the June entries will appears in the drop down list. Press this, scan, enter all the information here, and press save button. You will see that the data will be saved inside the inventory list. So you can also remove the inventory by using this drop down list. Once the entry is saved, the list is upgraded to the various serial barcodes here, and you press this one and press to remove. You will see that the item is removed from your inventory list database. So here you can edit all the uh, inventories as per your liking by press this button. You can add and modify the remarks, and change the price and the honors and the category, anything that you can change through the edit button. Press this button, a dialog box is come up, and select the item like A and press button. All the data will appear there. You can change by yourself. For example, I'm going to change the tall axis into Y and press O to save button. You will see that the data will be saved as per I inputted given it. You can see that the data is changing once I have input this one and change. And then after doing all the changes, you press close button, then your data will be placed here. You can change, you can transfer by location that you suggested here to how to location change and etc. So export Excel file. This is very interesting feature when you want to not send complete file to anybody to show a report. Then you have to press this button to show only the inventory list. At the moment, there is no file in the project folder where the file is placed. Once you have pressed this button, this export to Excel file, the file is generated inside the project folder with the serial number one and with the date. So I'm going to press this button and go back to the project where, and you will see that there is a May 12th 21st, the second file number is because I have given the cell number where he took the serial from S2. Once again, if I press this button, it will turn into third file. You can see that there are two more files in it. So this is what the export sheet and the edit button will do for you. And now you can go back and can go to the report. Here you can extract the monthly, quarterly, yearly, half yearly, three quarterly data by selecting the date, entering the date into these. For example, I'm going to extract the date inventory list, sorry, from the up to May 20, May month of May, and at the moment I have selected the report section 1st Jan to 11th of April. So I have to change the month here and press this button. You will see that the report is extracted from the inventory list from yeah, 1st of Jan to uh, 11th of May. So anything between these two dates will shows underneath these cells. I'm going to do one entry again. Going to set the 5th of the 1st of May. To press this button, you will see that only the My data will appears underneath the cells. Okay, so you can go by pressing the back button as well here, and also you can now. I'm going to explain you the what does this its work. Press to scan when you want to see a specific product that you want to show the status of the product. You have to press by using the scan code. Press this button and scan item barcode or enter the barcode serial. I have no scanner at the moment, but I can enter the serial number of barcode. At the moment I am going to press B. You will see that all the serial number data will be appears related to B barcode or a serial number. I'm going to do something unique idea by taking this serial number, longer serial number, copy it and go to the scan folder, press this button and press paste this over there and press this button. You will see that all the data will be appears as per the serial number. I am going to widen up this column. This sheet is protected by the password, and the password is one. And I and it will help. It will remains uh, give you intact and save your formulas that are is shown in this figure. So this is it. I have done your work. For more addition, uh, for more addition and the remaining work, I'm available. Do your suggestions and ask me for the next one. The milestone first is completed, and I have created some stock in and stock out and the list of the sheets. These sheets are hide and will develop the procedure into this so that we can analyze the total stock in and out condition, so probability, uh, summation of in these cells as well. So these are the parts milestone second part will do so. So if you have any question, let me know. Thanks. I'm going to send it to our delivery. This is a milestone one. Thanks, and I'm waiting for your earlier response.